Hello and welcome to Learn It All. Today we're going to talk about this great investment opportunity at Affirm Holdings. So, what is this company all about? Affirm Holdings is headquartered at California right now, and it falls into the technology sector with an employee count of 1,641. Affirm Holdings Inc. operates a platform for digital and mobile first commerce in the United States and Canada. The company's platform includes point of sale, payment solutions for consumers, merchant commerce solutions, and a consumer focused app. Its payments network and partnership with an originating bank enables consumers to pay for a purchase over time with terms ranging from 1 to 48 months. As of June 30th, 2021, the company had approximately 29,000 merchants integrated on its platform, covering small businesses, large enterprises, direct to consumer brands, brick and mortar stores, and companies. Now, let's talk a little bit about the CEO. This company is led by Max Levchin, who's the founder and CEO of the company. We all know that founder led companies perform well in the stock market, and which is an advantage for a firm. Interestingly, Affirm is not the only venture of Max. Max is also a co-founder of PayPal, which is one of the largest payment solution provider in the e-commerce world. And he worked with Peter Thiel, who is also co-founder of PayPal and Palantir. And you can see this picture. They look like buddies in this picture. If you look at a firm's website, it looks really beautiful and very well designed. It says pay at your own pace. When you buy with a firm, you always know exactly what you will owe and when you'll be done paying. There are no hidden fees, not even late fees. Wow, that is amazing. And you can see that they have partnered with Walmart, Adidas, Peloton, Expedia, and recently I know that they partnered with Amazon and Target as well. So the way it works is that when you buy something from these websites, during the checkout, you'll have to select Affirm as a payment mode. That's what their website tells you. Buying with Affirm is easy. Step one, fill your cart. Step two, choose how you pay. You can select 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, whatever you're comfortable with. And you can make easy monthly payments. On the Affirm app, you can actually see what your purchases are and you can manage your payments from the app itself. Here are some featured stores that Affirm has partnered with, and these are some trending stores that uses Affirm as a payment mode. Now let's look at the Affirm stock. Affirm is listed on NASDAQ with ticker symbol AFRM, and its current market cap is at $39 billion, which is not small, to be honest. Now, if you look at the income statement, the total revenue and the gross profit for this company has been growing significantly in the last 3 years. And you can see the latest revenue in 2021 is around $900 million. And this is what you really want to see in a growth company. The revenue estimation is covered by 9 analysts, and you can see the next quarter sales growth estimation is at 44%, and current year is at 37%, and next year 2023 is at 44%. So that's an amazing estimation with double-digit growth for this company. So far, everything looks good for this company. Affirm is actually trying to do something that nobody has tried or done before. It actually reminds me of how Square has grown over the past several years. And Affirm, I'm pretty sure, is going to be one of the big payment solution provider in the buy now, pay later market. Plus, they have an amazing CEO who's a visionary, who has a tons of experience from his PayPal contributions. The company's revenue, gross profit, merchant integrations has been constantly growing over the past 3-4 years. So all these good factors, do they really justify the stock price of $146? Maybe not. The reason is technically, if you look at the price to sales ratio, that's 24.7, which is a little bit on the higher side. Actually, to be honest, it's much higher, right? I would say anything around 10, 15 is pretty decent, but 24.7 is pretty high for me. But does it really mean that we should not be investing in the firm at the moment, or should we wait for the price to go down? I don't know. Nobody knows if the price is going to come down or just keep going up. So what is the investment strategy here, right? We need to understand what is the best way to invest in this company for 1,000% growth, let's say. For 1,000% growth, the company has to reach a market cap of, let's say, I think $400 billion, which is quite possible for these kind of companies. Now, before we jump into the investment strategy, let's have a look at the chart. So Affirm IPO'd in January 2021 with a price of around $90. And it did not perform well and went down to around $50. But then recently it has been rising. And if you can see, the red line is a 20 moving average and the blue line is a 50 moving average. The current price is way above the 20 moving average and the 50 moving average. The 20 moving average is at 125 and the 50 moving average is at $100. So I would say that the price at the moment is a little bit overextended. But I would also say that I don't know if it's going to come down or not, right? So what is my strategy? What is the best strategy for these companies? The key is I want to be investing in this company long term. I'm looking at 10, 15, 20 years down the line, right? So the way I can invest in this company is not by dumping a huge sum in one go, but rather distribute my investment in this company over a spread of 12 months in a year. What I mean by that is if I get to invest $10,000 every month, then I would keep 20% from that $10,000, which is $2,000 for Affirm. So every month I would invest $2,000 in Affirm because I don't know if the price is going to go up or go down. I know there's going to be some consolidation phase. There's going to be a phase where the market is going to be down. It's very difficult to predict market, right? And I have been very successful in the strategy, so I don't really dump a huge amount of money in one go on these kind of stocks, especially if I'm investing long term, right? All right, folks, that was the strategy I wanted to talk about, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for instant notification on new videos.